So I'm here at Bunnings and I'm here to get some, what am I getting today? Some soil for, so I can move my hibiscus and frangipani plants into a bigger pot. So that's why we're here at Bunnings. There are more frangipani plants here. I'm very tempted to get another one. What do you think? Tell me in the comments if you think I should get another frangipani. So I found my potting mix, and yes, identity, it is a tropical fruit salad. So excited. I've got a white one, and then this one looks like a peachy yellow with red. I'm going to need to remove myself from the plant section, otherwise I will keep buying stuff. Yeah, I love Bunnings. So I'm back in the car, and I did buy another plant. It is a gardenia. So there was a little flower there, and that just made me want it even more. So my grandmother had a really amazing tropical garden in Samoa. I guess I'm kind of trying to recreate that in my own garden here in Melbourne, except I don't have tropical weather, so whatever I can I will get, and if not, I can dream. So my back is really sore. I need a rest. Ran out of petrol. I don't know where to find it. I'll have to wait till my husband gets home to finish the lawns. Guess that means I can plant my plants. So I have 2 frangipani plants, a hibiscus plant and a gardenia plant to repot and place in the garden area. We have these. So on the left side we've got bulbs. Oh my goodness, is that a plant coming through already? Oh, how exciting. So we've already got some of the bulbs starting to grow through, even though they're supposed to go dormant in winter. That's interesting. Okay, then we have our veggie garden, which is just greens and some carrots. That's crazy amount of ants. I don't think that's good. And then we have our summer plants. They're so pretty right now. So there's the zinnias, and these are the alyssum, and these ones didn't grow very well, but yeah. And so this is the side that gets, this is north facing, so it gets a lot of the sun. And then that corner is my mum's succulents and her other plants that I think are indoor plants, but we had no room indoor. So what am I trying to say? Frangipanis are supposed to grow best in Victoria along a north facing wall, and the only north facing wall in our house is near the washing line, and it doesn't get much sun because there's a fence, and then there's some big trees, so it doesn't get much sun. So I'm thinking, because the is north facing, that we might be able to use that as our north facing wall instead of a wall. So I'm gonna give that a try and replant them and put them in front of that. Try and move these around so that there is more light coming through to them. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking so far. So I'm replanting them into these fabric. So they're quite massive. I'm expecting them to be higher. I'm not good with sizing, so they're really big, wide, and they have moldy things on the side. But I've been watching gardening YouTube videos and TikTok, and so there's this one lady who uses fabric because she also rents her house, and so this allows her to replant them easily and move them and still, yeah. So I'm gonna try these and hope that it works. They're really big, so I'm hoping they're not too big. Wish me luck. I forgot, I miscalculated how much soil I'm going to need to replant these plants, and so I only got 4 bags, but each of these containers hold 2 bags, so I can plant 2 now, and then I have to go at 2, 4, 6 more bags from Bunnings. So I have finished repotting the plant. Very happy with how they turned out. So I didn't change anything here. So they all stayed the same, but they're all in their pots now. And they're all along this wall fence. So hopefully this is a good place for them. And yeah, stay tuned. So my zinnias are growing really well, as are my Elysiums. I think these are all ready to come out and maybe put in some beetroot and broccoli. If you look closely here, that green thing, that's one of my bulbs. I just planted them last week, a couple weeks ago, and so how exciting. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to go dormant over winter, but they're starting to grow. And I've just repotted my frangipanis, my hibiscus, my gardenia, and my avocado. Very excited to see them grow.